welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today once again we are going to see how to make an easy chutney, and this is made with 3 to 4 varieties of dals, and that's why it is known as the Dhal Chutney. So let's get started. Let's start off by switching on our stove, and friends, make sure that throughout this recipe the flame should be at low. Then I'm going to add little bit of oil and then 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1.5 teaspoon of urd dal. So now let's saute it. Friends, we need to saute it until it has become slightly golden brown in color. Once the dals has been sauteed nicely, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and then 6 to 7 pods of garlic. So again, let's saute this until the garlic turns slightly golden brown in color. Then I'm going to add 4 dry red chilies to add up spice to our chutney. Well, you can always adjust it accordingly. So once it's sauteed nicely, I've took 5 small onions and I've cut them into halves, and now I'm going to add them inside. So friends, we need to saute this until the onions have become slightly transparent. So once that has been done, I'm going to add 150 grams of tur dal. So this is going to be our base. So again, let's saute it nicely until the tur dal has slightly changed its color. So then I'm going to add few curry leaves. I have washed them and dried them. After a few mixes, let's go to our next step. I have soaked tamarind before, which I'm going to add now. Friends, make sure you remove the seeds. After adding the tamarind, switch off your stove, and then you can add salt according to your taste. And this is ready to go inside the blender. Friends, make sure you give this mixture a little bit of cooling time and then add it inside the blender. So once you have added inside the blender, you can grind it, and that's it. Our chutney is ready. Friends, you can add water according to the consistency you want the chutney to be. So friends, now I'm going to garnish it with some roasted onions and coriander leaves. And wow friends, look how beautiful it looks. Friends, we easily made this chutney, and I'm sure all the ingredients we used are already in your kitchen. So friends, let's taste our chutney now. I have torn a piece and I've dipped it inside the chutney. Wow friends, I can taste all the dals and it all makes an amazing combination, and it is very tasty. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.